A brand new truck, less than 400 miles on the odometer. Engine destroyed before the first payment was ever due. Over 1 million vehicles are under recall in 2026. Engines catching fire in parked driveways and garages. 9 brands, 9 engines, all of them failing. All of them sold to people who had absolutely no idea. Number 9. Honda 1.5L Turbo 4-cylinder. Honda built its reputation on engines that refuse to die. The Civic, CR-V, and Accord became some of the most trusted vehicles in America because people expected 300,000 miles with almost no drama. Then came the 1.5L Turbo. From day one, it struggled with fuel dilution. Raw gasoline washed past the piston rings into the oil pan. Thin oil can't properly protect bearings and piston rings, leading to premature wear. Honda made changes, and many owners thought the issue had been solved. It wasn't. The new problem is the head gasket. We're talking about failures around 60,000 miles, when a Honda should barely be broken in. Once the gasket fails, coolant enters the combustion chamber. And suddenly, you're facing a $5,000 repair on the very vehicles people buy to avoid expensive repairs. Honda is facing an active class action lawsuit. Yet many owners believe the company still hasn't fully acknowledged the scale of the problem. If you're shopping for a non-hybrid Accord, CR-V, or certain Acura models, check the engine code before signing anything. One engine option can be the difference between a dependable Honda and a $5,000 nightmare. Number 8. Volkswagen and Audi EA888 2.0L Turbo. This engine has been around since 2008, powering everything from the Jetta and Tiggan to Audi A3, A4, Q3, and Q5 models. Volkswagen settled a major class action lawsuit over turbocharger failures. Another lawsuit followed over excessive oil consumption caused by defective piston rings. Once oil consumption becomes severe, the only real solution is often a complete engine replacement. Add failing PCV valves, timing cover leaks, and water pumps, and you've got an engine developing problems from multiple directions. The shocking part? Versions of this same engine are still being sold today. After more than 16 years of complaints, many buyers expected these problems to be history. If you're walking into a Volkswagen or Audi dealership expecting worry-free European engineering, slow down and research the exact engine before making your decision. Number 7. Jeep 2.0L Turbo Jeep markets the Wrangler and Grand Cherokee as vehicles built for anything. But this engine tells a different story. In late 2025, around 100,000 vehicles were recalled because manufacturing defects could lead to catastrophic engine failure or even an engine fire. Owners have also reported head gasket failures, cracked cylinder liners, cracked pistons, coolant leaks, oil leaks, and turbocharger failures. Jeep has introduced an updated version of this engine, but with no long-term reliability data available yet, buying one today still comes with a big question mark. Coming up, Ford, GM, Toyota, Hyundai, and Kia, and the failures only get worse from here. Number 6. Ford 1.5L EcoBoost 3-cylinder. You'll find this engine in the Ford Escape and Bronco Sport. On paper, it sounds like the perfect daily driver. Small, turbocharged, fuel-efficient, and modern. In reality, it's a high-stress setup. Owners have reported coolant intrusion into the cylinders, overheating, and loss of compression. Once coolant gets into the engine, you're no longer talking about a simple repair. You're looking at a complete engine replacement. The frustrating part is that Ford has been here before. Earlier, 1.5L and 1.6L EcoBoost engines faced lawsuits over the same coolant intrusion problem. Ford made changes, promised improvements, and yet many owners are dealing with the same catastrophic failures again. If you're considering an Escape or Bronco Sport, understand exactly what you're buying because this isn't just a reliability concern. It's a full engine failure risk. If you're finding this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Number 5. GM 1.2L Turbo 3-cylinder. This engine powers the Chevrolet Trax, Trailblazer, Buick Encore GX, and Invista. GM pushed a tiny turbocharged engine to its limits, and now owners are reporting bearing failures, connecting rod damage, oil leaks, and complete loss of power with little or no warning. To make matters worse, replacement engines have been back-ordered. Some owners have waited weeks or even months just to get their vehicles back. Class action lawsuits have already been filed, and complaints continue to grow. If you own one, check your oil regularly and never ignore knocking or ticking noises. Number 4. Ford 2.3L EcoBoost. This isn't a high-mileage problem. Some of these engines were defective before the first owner ever drove them. One defect involves a missing piston pin retaining clip that can allow the piston pin to destroy the cylinder wall from the inside. Another involves a valve train component that can suddenly come loose while driving, causing an immediate loss of power. Nearly 48,000 Ford and Lincoln vehicles are affected, and for many owners, the official repair is a complete engine replacement. Coming up, the final 3 engines include one of the biggest engine disasters in automotive history, Toyota's shocking reliability problem, and the V8 failure affecting hundreds of thousands of America's best-selling trucks. Number 3. Hyundai and Kia 2.0L Theta 2. If you followed the automotive industry over the last decade, you already know this engine's reputation: rod-bearing failures, engine seizures, engine fires, massive recalls, class action lawsuits, government investigations, and national headlines made the Theta 2 one of the biggest engine failures in modern automotive history. To their credit, Hyundai and Kia's newer SmartStream engines have shown significant improvements, but some vehicles are still sold with the Theta 2, making it critical to verify exactly which engine you're buying. If it says 2.0L Theta 2, walk away. Number 2. Toyota 3.4L Twin Turbo V6. Toyota built its reputation on reliability, which is why this engine shocked so many buyers. The problem is machining debris left inside the engine during manufacturing. That debris travels through the oil system, damages the main bearings, and can lead to complete engine failure with little warning. Toyota has already issued multiple recalls covering this engine, and it's used not only in the Tundra, but also in the Sequoia, Lexus GX, and Lexus LX. Until Toyota proves there's a permanent fix, buyers should be extremely cautious. Number 1. GM 5.3L and 6.2L V8. These engines power some of America's best-selling trucks and SUVs, including the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon. GM's cylinder deactivation system has been linked to lifter failures that can destroy the camshaft and eventually require a complete engine replacement. The 6.2L V8 also faces rod-bearing issues that can destroy the engine without warning. GM has recalled hundreds of thousands of vehicles, yet owners continue reporting failures even after dealer repairs. Before buying any vehicle on this list, research the engine, not just the badge. The right engine can save you thousands of dollars, while the wrong one can become the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and I'll see you in the next one.